Did you know that canopy trees in rainforests are like nature's skyscrapers? These towering giants not only provide shade, but also act as a natural air conditioner. Their leaves release water vapor, cooling the air around them. But here's the quirky part. They also create their own mini weather systems. By releasing moisture, they can actually make it rain, right in the rainforest. This self sustaining cycle is crucial for the ecosystem, keeping everything lush and green. So, next time you think of rainforests, remember the trees that make it rain. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.